How about frosted glass in Blender? This one should be easy. Try to make a simple scene. A background with an object behind any mesh surface and one top light should be enough. Open a shading window for the nodes and then make sure you're on Cycle's render engine. Add a new material to the mesh, and let's delete the default principal BSDF. Then we need to add 3 nodes for the most common glass shader. We will need a glass node, a transparent one, then mix them together through a mix shader into the material surface output. Keep in mind, we have the Node Wrangler add-on for the node's shortcuts, so try to keep it on from the Edit Preferences menu. I will also add a light path to the mix factor using the IS shadow rays in it, and this will be your typical glass shader for best quality render. So to upgrade this into frosted type or dirty glass, we need to control the roughness in the glass node. In the roughness, we need a noise texture with the mapping and coordinate nodes. So just add the noise and click Ctrl-T on it to get the entire pack. Now the noise factor will go to the roughness through a color ramp for better control, so add 1 and connect the ramp color as shown. Before we play with the ramp, we need to fix the numbers in the noise texture, and you can press Ctrl-Shift on it to view it alone on the surface. You can go with the numbers that fit you, might drop the scale a bit for a bigger texture, around 3 or 4. Boost the details to around 8. The roughness can go up to 0.8, and the distortion is fine at 2, and you can experiment with it as you want. Once you're done with the noise texture, drag the ramp colors around until you get a pattern for both clear glass and noisy one. Now, of course, you can use a pre-made texture or a bitmap. Just drop it in the noise place and connect it as a non-color. You might need to put the texture coordinate on UV type if things get weird. And that's it. You can screenshot the nodes if you want to follow along and have fun with it. Like and sub if you're still here, and see you next time. Stay sharp. Goodbye.